Hello, everybody. My name's Sabrina, and today's fish of the day is the giant Pacific octopus. The giant Pacific octopus, also called the North Pacific octopus, scientific name Enteroctopus doflini, is known for being the largest species of octopus. Living exclusively in temperate waters, their range stretches from southern California up to Alaska, and from the west coast of North America to the Aleutian Islands and the east coast of Japan. Giant Pacific octopi live along coral ranges, rocky outcroppings, and intertidal zones where catching prey is easier. The bite of the octopus contains a venom that breaks down proteins in animals, softening muscle tissues and organs over the course of a couple of hours. Their diet consists of almost anything they can fit in their beak: fish, crabs, lobster, shrimp, some smaller sharks and dogfish, clams, snails, and seagulls resting on the water. They can tear apart animals with far tougher skin than their own due to the beak structure that can be found on all octopi, made of chitin. This diet supports them getting as large as 29 feet in length. Their arm span alone can reach 19 feet across, and the heaviest recorded specimen was almost 200 pounds. Due to their large size, many scavengers predate on these octopi, even drawing in larger predators. Many marine mammals, such as harbor seals, sea otters, various dolphins, and sperm whales, have been found hunting great Pacific octopi. Humans also hunt these octopi, with commercial fishing for consumption across the world taking 33 million tons annually. However, great Pacific octopi are known for their high intelligence, which is used to avoid many of these predators. Octopi are known for being able to survey their surroundings and camouflage at will in many different ways. These animals have 9 separate brains, one in each of the 8 arms, and a central brain, which does more than the others, controlling each of the arms and all 200 suckers, which they have control over, like we have on our individual fingers, giving them high control over their movements, along with the ability to create havoc in research environments, disassembling expensive equipment and escaping. Like many other cephalopods, the giant Pacific octopus can change colors, using this to blend into rocks around their hiding caves. This color changing ability is quite interesting to study, however, and when the octopus is resting, they turn a white, milky color. When the octopus is occupied by other stimuli, they turn a deeper red color, with mottling happening in between. In an interesting study, it's been found that throughout an octopus's rest, they will change into molted patterns, which are found in alert octopi, leading to the theory that octopi too can dream. In other situations, these octopi have been known to create molted patterns to seduce partners and confuse prey. Other than their color changing abilities, they've also been known to surround themselves in shells and other previous meal remains to disguise their body when venturing for food. These animals also possess the well known ability to squirt ink out of their siphon to confuse predators. They also have the ability to change the texture of their skin to blend in better with their surroundings. Their intelligence is so high, in fact, that it's thought that some octopi are the only invertebrates to engage in play activities. Giant Pacific octopi spend around 90% of the time in their dens, venturing out only to find prey and to mate, bringing the prey back into the den to consume. This creates an octopus garden on the outside of the den, where bones and shells pile up. Despite significant attachment to these dens, which they decorate and clean regularly, these animals migrate. Depending on population, throughout the year these octopi will move in accordance to seasonal changes. Eastern populations tend to locate new dens when the water experiences temperature changes in summer and winter, whereas Western populations will move dens to shallower waters in early summer and winter, and then move to deeper waters in the later summer and winter. Whereas the northern populations, both the Alaskan and northeastern, do not seem to have any migration patterns. Their lifespan is relatively long compared to other octopi. Sexual maturity is achieved at 1 to 2 years of age, but the giant Pacific octopus, with a lifespan of 3 to 5 years, will wait to breed until it reaches a sufficient body mass. This is because a giant Pacific octopus will only ever go through one sexual event in a lifetime. After laying eggs within their den, males will fertilize these eggs. The female octopi will then brood over these eggs for 6 months, refusing to leave the den for any purpose, eventually dying of starvation, just as the eggs hatch. Eggs are cared for by having the mother keep them well aerated with cool water from her siphon, and she'll clean them to ensure algae and other parasites will not take prey on them. Males will also die after reproduction, although they do this in their own hiding dens. After hatching, the eggs grow quickly, reaching full adult sizes within 2 years, thus continuing the cycle. And that's the giant Pacific octopus. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and that's your Fish of the Day.